Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best smartwatches that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling to stay fit, track your sleep, or manage your health daily? Most smartwatches either lack accuracy or feel too complicated. What if one device could simplify everything: fitness, health, and connectivity all in one? Meet the Apple Watch Series 11, a sleek 42mm GPS smartwatch with a jet black aluminum case, designed to keep you connected, active, and healthy. Advanced health monitoring with heart rate tracking. Detailed sleep score insights to improve rest quality. Built-in GPS for accurate outdoor activity tracking. Bright always-on display for quick access anytime. 64GB storage for apps, music, and more. Water-resistant design perfect for workouts and daily use. Smooth performance powered by watchOS. Pros: premium design and lightweight feel. Accurate fitness and health tracking. Seamless integration with Apple ecosystem. Easy-to-use interface. Cons: battery life could be better for heavy users. Works best with iPhone only. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals, and Apple users who want a reliable all-in-one smartwatch for health tracking and daily productivity. At just $114, the Apple Watch Series 11 offers incredible value, premium features at a surprisingly affordable price point. Number 4. Introducing the Fitbit Google Ace LTE, a fun and smart kid smartwatch designed for safety, communication, and activity tracking. For LTE connectivity for calling and messaging without a phone. Built-in GPS tracking so parents can monitor location in real time. Interactive activity-based games to keep kids moving and engaged. Smooth performance with Android-based system. 32GB storage for apps and updates. Durable, kid-friendly design with a bright 1.6-inch display. Bluetooth support for additional connectivity. Pros: great safety features with GPS and communication. Encourages physical activity through games. Easy for kids to use and fun interface. Reliable brand from Fitbit and Google. Cons: requires Ace Pass data plan for full features. Limited functionality compared to adult smartwatches. Battery life may vary with heavy usage. Perfect for parents who want to stay connected with their kids while encouraging an active lifestyle in a safe and controlled way. At $124, it offers solid value as a kids-focused smartwatch with safety, communication, and. Number 3. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, 2025, a stylish 40mm Bluetooth smartwatch with a modern cushion design, built for fitness, health, and everyday smart use. Advanced fitness tracking with running coach and activity insights. Smart sleep coaching to improve your rest and recovery. Unique energy score to monitor daily readiness. Accurate heart rate tracking for health monitoring. Smooth performance powered by Wear OS powered by Samsung. Built-in GPS for outdoor workouts. 32GB storage for apps and data. Lightweight, comfortable round design with 1.3-inch display. Pros: premium and modern design. Strong health and fitness features. Seamless integration with Samsung devices. User-friendly interface and smooth performance. Cons: battery life may require daily charging. Best experience mainly with Android users. Slightly higher price compared to competitors. Ideal for fitness-focused users, Android users, and anyone looking for a stylish smartwatch with advanced health tracking and coaching features. At $349.99, the Galaxy Watch 8 delivers premium features, smart coaching tools, and a refined design, making it a great choice for those who want a high-end smartwatch experience. Number 2. Introducing the Garmin vívoactive 5, a sleek GPS smartwatch with an AMOLED display, designed for advanced health tracking and long-lasting performance. Bright and vibrant AMOLED display for clear visibility. Built-in GPS for accurate fitness and outdoor tracking. Impressive up to 11 days battery life on a single charge. Advanced health monitoring including heart rate, stress, and sleep tracking. Smooth performance powered by Garmin OS. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB connectivity for easy syncing. Lightweight, stylish round design with 1.2-inch screen. Pros. Excellent battery life compared to most smartwatches. Accurate fitness and health tracking. Premium build with a clean, sporty design. Reliable performance from Garmin. Cons. Limited third-party apps compared to Apple or Samsung. Basic smart features, less focus on apps/calls. Storage is relatively low, 4 gigabytes. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts, runners, and users who prioritize long battery life and accurate health tracking over heavy smart features. At $178.49, the vívoactive 5 offers great value with its long battery life, reliable tracking, and premium display, ideal for active users. Number 1. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE 40mm LTE, an affordable yet powerful smartwatch packed with AI-driven fitness and health tracking features. LTE connectivity for calls, messages, and notifications without your phone. Advanced BIA sensor to measure body composition, fat, muscle, etc. Personalized heart rate zones for optimized workouts. Accurate sleep monitoring and recovery insights. Built-in GPS for outdoor activity tracking. Smooth experience with Wear OS 3.0. Lightweight, stylish round design with a comfortable fit. 16 GB storage for apps and essential data. Pros. Great value for an LTE smartwatch. Strong health tracking including body composition. Easy integration with Samsung ecosystem. Compact and lightweight design. Cons. Battery life is average, especially with LTE use. Limited storage compared to premium models. Works best with Android devices. Perfect for budget-conscious users who want a feature-rich smartwatch with LTE, fitness tracking, and health insights without paying flagship prices. At $169, the Galaxy Watch FE offers excellent value, combining smart features, fitness tracking, and LTE connectivity at a competitive price. Check the link in the description to grab yours now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tech deals.